this is the bit that's gonna be in the sock. They're gonna like stand on this bit, and there's like a little button on it. So when they like stand on it, it like sends a signal to this bit, and then that will send a signal to a bit in the box, which will activate the buzzer yoke, and it'll sound an alarm, and it will also send a text to your phone then, so that you know that they've like stood up. Well, kind of when they go to bed every night, just so like you know when they've stood up, in case like it could be in the middle of the night, just in case they go wandering somewhere. Like we tried it a few times, and the buzzer just kept going off, like, and it wasn't really working properly a few times. But then we kind of just moved a bit of the wires around, and it kind of worked fine again. We're gonna put like a light on the box bit, so that you know there's a signal, so that you can like so that you know it's able to send the text to the phone. Because yeah, you kind of have to open it up to see if there's a signal. There's like a flashing light, so we're gonna like put a light on the outside of the box so that you know there's a signal there. We're trying to make this bit, the bit that goes in the sock, a small bit smaller, so like it won't be annoying them when they're wearing it.